It is Monday morning. Mila Torres is at home. She has a small problem. Her tooth hurts a little. She must see the dentist. So she must call the dental office. But there is one big problem. Mila is afraid. She is afraid to speak English on the phone.
Oh no! I must call the dentist. But the phone is so hard. On the phone, I cannot see the face. I cannot use my hands. I only have my voice. I am afraid.
On the phone, you cannot see the other person. You cannot point. You cannot smile and wait. You only have words. For Mila, this is very hard. Her heart beats fast. She looks at the phone for a long time.
Come on, Mila. You can do this. It is only a phone call. You can make an appointment. You can speak slowly.
Mila has a good idea. She will write her sentences first. Then she will read them on the phone. So she takes a pen and some paper. She sits down at the table.
Okay, I will write my words first. Then I will not forget them.
Today, Mila must make a phone call. She wants an appointment with the dentist. Here are some useful sentences for a phone call. Listen and say them with me. Number 1. Hello, this is Mila Torres.
Hello, this is Mila Torres.
Number 2. Can I make an appointment, please?
Can I make an appointment, please?
Number 3. Can I ask a question?
Can I ask a question?
Number 4. Can I come on Monday?
Can I come on Monday?
Number 5. Sorry, can you say that again, please?
Sorry. Can you say that again, please?
Very good. Now, let us go back to the story. Mila writes her sentences on the paper. She writes them slowly and clearly. She writes, "Hello, this is Mila Torres." She writes, "Can I make an appointment, please?" She writes, "I have a problem with my tooth."
Good. Now I have my words. I will read them on the phone. I can do this.
Mila reads her paper one more time. Her hands are a little cold. Her tooth still hurts. She takes a deep breath. She is still afraid, but she is ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I will call now.
Mila takes the phone in her hand. She finds the number of the dental office. She looks at her paper one more time. Then she calls. The phone makes a soft ring. 1 ring, 2 rings, 3 rings. Mila waits. Her heart beats fast. Then the ring stops. A kind voice answers the phone. It is the receptionist at the dental office.
Good morning, Green Park Dental Office. How can I help you?
Mila looks at her paper. She reads her first sentence. Her voice is small, but she speaks.
Hello. This is Mila Torres. Can I make an appointment, please?
Of course, I can help you with that. What is the problem?
Mila is a little lost. She speaks too fast. The words do not come out well.
My tooth. It hurts. And I want a dentist. The appointment for the tooth.
Mila stops. Her face is red. She is afraid. But the receptionist is very kind and very patient. She speaks slowly.
It is okay. Do not worry. Take your time. So, you have a problem with your tooth. Is that right?
Yes. Yes, that is right. My tooth hurts. Sorry. Can you say that again, please? Slowly.
Of course, no problem. You want to see the dentist for your tooth. Can you come on Monday morning?
Mila looks at her paper. She finds her sentence. She smiles a little. She can do this.
Monday morning. Yes. Can I come on Monday at 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock on Monday is perfect.
Can I ask your name again, please?
Yes. My name is Mila Torres. M-I-L-A Torres.
Thank you, Mila. So, your appointment is on Monday at 10 o'clock. We will see you then.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, of course.
Where is the dental office, please?
We are on Green Park Road, number 12. It is near the bus stop.
Green Park Road, number 12. Thank you very much. You are very kind.
You are welcome, Mila. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.
Mila puts the phone on the table. For a moment, she does not move. Then, a big smile comes to her face. She did it. She made the phone call. She has her appointment.
I did it. I made an appointment. On the phone. In English.
Mila stands up. She is so happy. Her heart is still beating fast, but now it is a happy beat. She was afraid, but she was brave. And now she is proud. So proud.
I was afraid, but I did it. I am so proud of me. The phone is not so scary now.
Mila looks at her paper. Her little sentences helped her so much. The receptionist was kind and patient, and Mila was brave. Next time, the phone call will be easier. Mila knows this now.
Next time, I will not be so afraid. Every phone call is a little easier. I am proud of today.
Let us look at the story again. On Monday, Mila had a problem. Her tooth hurt. She had to call the dentist. But she was afraid to speak English on the phone. So she wrote her sentences first. Then she called the dental office. A kind receptionist answered the phone. Mila said, "Hello, this is Mila Torres. Can I make an appointment, please?" She spoke a little fast. She made some mistakes, but the receptionist was patient. Mila said, "Sorry, can you say that again, please?" She said, "Can I come on Monday?" She said, "Can I ask a question?" She got her appointment on Monday at 10 o'clock. Then she put the phone on the table. She was so happy and so proud. She made her first phone call in English. Now we will practice. Listen and repeat after me. Number 1. Hello, this is Mila Torres. Number 2. Can I make an appointment, please? Number 3. Can I ask a question? Number 4. Can I come on Monday? Number 5. Sorry, can you say that again, please? Very good. You did well. Now, 3 small questions. Listen carefully and think. Question 1. You call the dentist. You want to see the dentist. What do you say? Think for a moment. A good answer is, "Can I make an appointment, please?" Question 2. The other person speaks too fast. You do not understand. What do you say? Think for a moment. A good answer is, "Sorry, can you say that again, please?" Question 3. You want to come on Monday. What do you say? Think for a moment. A good answer is, "Can I come on Monday?" Very good. You are learning well.
Today, you learned useful sentences for a phone call. You learned to say, "Can I make an appointment, please?" You learned the word phone. You learned the word call. You learned the word appointment. You learned the word afraid. And you learned the word proud. Practice these sentences out loud. Soon, you will use them on the phone just like Mila.
Speaking was hard for Mila. The phone was scary. Maybe it is hard for you too. That is okay. It is okay to be afraid. The good news is simple. It gets easier when you practice a little, often. I practice speaking with a real teacher on italki. Even 10 minutes helps. The next call is always a little easier. Thank you for listening to Story Bridge English. If you liked this story, please subscribe to our channel for more slow English stories. A new slow English story is coming very soon. Have a calm and happy week. See you in the next story.